Hey everyone out there in social media land, this is James Pesch and I am back with another mind shift strategy. Today we're talking about having a winner's mindset or a winning mindset. And hey, what's going on? We got somebody watching already. I want to welcome you. And today we are just hitting a bunch of different motivational topics. Today I'm talking about your mindset and what it takes to have a winner's mindset. Now, the great thing about having a winning mindset is that you are not going to be guaranteed victory or success, but you're going to be guaranteed a successful mindset. Now, what does that mean? It means that none of us are guaranteed ultimate success. All of us are guaranteed, in fact, much more hardships and much more failure along the way or along the path to success of any kind. Now, Michael Jordan once said that the reason that I am a success is because, hey, what's up, Jeff? Thanks for coming. Michael Jordan once said that the reason I am a success is because of all the times that I've failed, or something to that effect. Now, what that means to us is that your failures are literally getting you closer and closer to doing it right. Thomas Edison, in reference to the light bulb, often was credited for having stated that all the failures were just one more way of showing him how to not do it that way. It was a successful way to not do something that way. So I want you guys to realize that a winner's mindset is about focusing on the goal, not focusing on each individual failure or each individual game. Practice every day that you commit to trying to do that thing that you want to be successful at. You have to make sure that you are not bearing yourself down with each individual failure. Every time you do something, every time you try to achieve, every single day, if you have a failure, if you have a barrier or an obstacle, that doesn't mean anything at all except that you're one step closer to that success that you've been looking for. Having a winner's mindset is all about knowing that you have to focus on the goal of what you want to achieve. And if you can dream it, if you can visualize it, and it's realistic and you can connect to it, then guys, that is having a winning mindset. If you can focus on that and never get distracted with every single failure that comes along the path to success. You can't wallow in those. You have to pick yourself up and you have to keep going and focus and visualize on the goal that you want to achieve. Now guys, a winning mindset is something that all of you are capable of, and I want to thank you for having come today. If you want to head on over to jamespesch.com, you can subscribe to my newsletter and find more information about how to have a winner's mindset so that you can be your own hero. Have a great Monday.